In agriculture, ditches are used to channel water either as a drainage or to get water for irrigation. But these ditches sometimes also have to be cleared, and that's when there are these massive powerful machines that pump the content from the ditches back into the ground. Ocean waves can be extremely dangerous, especially rock waves, which are those unexpected huge waves that can be a risk for small ships and even big rigs. Even though this one are not quite rock waves, this is an offshore rig very deep in the sea and it's struggling to maintain balance. If you want to get your mind blown, there is something called microfluidics, which basically is controlling liquid through electricity. Using a trowel to smooth out concrete, even though its effect is also very time consuming and near impossible in large sites, that's when screen machines come useful to smooth out the concrete, and they are incredibly high tech and can do the job in a little amount of time. It is a well-known fact that most walls inside houses in America are made of plywood because, well, it is an easy material to operate and fix. If you ever wonder how a log turns into plywood, it's basically a machine that reduces the logs to sheets and then they are laminated and pressed. Something that seems simple to make but actually is an extremely complicated process with many machines in the works are balloons. This is all the machinery that goes into work in order to create a 2-cent balloon that probably is going to be used only once. And an interesting fact is that the first balloon was just 2 sheets of rubber on top of each other with flour in the middle to prevent them from joining. With a man or woman going to Mars being closer to becoming a reality, NASA already made an awesome concept vehicle called the Rover, and it does kind of look like the Batmobile. And the designers of the vehicle were the Park brothers, who designed the motorcycles in the movie Tron. A rocket booster is used to increase the rocket takeoff thrust, and after the boosters are spent, they just fall away. Even though generally they land okay, sometimes mistakes happen. But okay, an awesome booster landing caught on cameras from SpaceX, who is the first ones to use reusable rocket boosters in order to reduce containment, and it's amazing to see the boosters coming back to the ground in a safe way.
Double sonic booms.
With water sports getting more creative, a company called Lifefoils created an awesome surfboard that basically looks like it's flying and uses a very similar technology as sailboats. Well, the only problem I find with this surfboard is that it costs $12,000. Sometimes operators really have to trust their co-workers in work. A crazy moment to watch was when a skid steer was working on the roof of a building and the operator had to trust that the crane will lift him up when the roof collapses. After a heavy snow, there are some places such as roads and airports that need the snow gone as soon as possible to continue operating normally. An awesome machine that takes care of this problem is the ribbon snowblower, which pulls snow into the machine and pushes it towards an impeller that shoots out the snow. Being a stuntman is actually one of the most dangerous jobs currently in the United States, and the state of injuries could be even higher because they are not well reported. For this reason, companies such as Disney are currently experimenting with robot acrobatics to perform stunts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.